Well, earthquake happened in Nepal last month, in April 25th, and this is the most destroyed area. So we came here for a survey, and we found people are really in need, and we decided to come here with all our students and the team. So we are really thankful to all the people that are supporting us to come here, and here people are getting rice, curry oil, and salt, and the medicine. So we are really here to bless the people that are really really destroyed their houses and the family life. And even though this is the very area some of the people died when the earthquake hit this area for the first time, and again second and third, and people are really in a need of the help. So we decided to come here.
Yeah, thank you so much, Victory family and our friends, because you are kind and giveness so much blesses the people in Nepal, because God loves the people, and so we need to love the people too. So thank you so much again, Victory family and our friends.